Pass text to program expecting a file. Related to a question I asked on Stack Overflow, passing multiple lines of code to sysadmin.sh. I have, as a string, a few lines of input that I need to feed into a command. The command, however, only accepts a file full of input. Is there some way I could store the lines in a temporary file or pipe which never actually gets written to disk and then feed that directly into the program? How do I go about acquiring the pipe, feeding the input into it, passing that pipe to the command, and then getting rid of the pipe?
Another solution is to use process substitution in Bash. If your system has named pipes, you can use this feature. It is used like this, where a list is a sequence of shell commands, actually pipelines. The full details are here. List will be executed, and its output will be connected to the pipe. The name of the pipe is then passed to your program. Note, spaces are not allowed between an LT and. The other substitution in GT, list, also works as you'd expect. In your specific case, you could use. Although you may find a Muse solution to be more elegant. Update, a great many usage examples are to be found over at the Advanced Bash Scripting Guide.
You can use a bash here doc. For example, if you have something in a bash variable, you can also interpolate it, e.g., and lt semicolon and lt semicolon and lt path is $path. If your command insists on a file name, you can give it /dev/stin, e.g. produces the output as /b/b/.
Depending on what is in the script, you may be able to use the special file name, -, which stands for stin. Another method which may work for you is to open the file /dev/fg/0, which again stands for stin. A third option may be to create a FIFO, first in, first out. That is like a file, but it has two ends to it. You write to one end and read from the other.
There's another option similar to the MikeMD solution, but even for programs which don't handle, specifically, /dev/stin seems to be OS related, and it works for me on Debian GNU/Linux, but I'm not sure where else it will work, too.
If you want to go to some more,